How to use aloe vera as medicine. As we carry out our daily activities, we might encounter moments that we get injured or we just fall ill. Depending on the intensity of the condition, we might choose to visit the doctor, and if the condition is not that bad, we will just wait for the condition to get better. Even though most people will choose to stay at home waiting to feel better, they also need some medicine or drugs to fasten the process and heal faster. Some will choose synthetic drugs, while other people will choose herbal medicine. For those who choose to go the herbal way, most of them will most likely have aloe vera in the list of plants that they are most likely going to use. And for this reason, today's video will be talking about this great plant that is applicable in several situations and able to be used as medicine. Welcome to Natural Health Remedies. Did you know aloe vera has a lot of benefits? Do you already use it? Let's find out in today's video. But first, before we go on with the video, a sub to the channel would be very appreciated. Comment and share the video as well, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. So, let's get into it. For those that might not know, aloe vera is a succulent, mucilaginous plant and can reach a height of about 40 inches. Its green leaves, which lack a stem, resemble blades or a sword emerging from a central point. These thick, hefty leaves contain the valuable healing gel that gives aloe vera its medicinal properties. The leaves have little white dots etched into them. In the summer, their orange blossoms appear. It can be grown almost anywhere since it requires a small space. Place your plant in a hot, dry location in your home if you want to grow it for aloe vera therapies in your place. It thrives under bright light. You'll know this plant is flourishing well when it produces several small offspring plants from the pot, which you may carefully separate and transplant into new pots. It's crucial not to cram too many aloes into one pot and to allow them to flourish to their full potential. As a result, you'll have more aloe vera gel available over time. Aloe vera has as many health benefits as it does therapeutic uses. Burns, cuts, stings, bruises, and rashes, as well as welts, itching, blisters, infections, and abrasions can all benefit from the gel found on the inside of this plant. Imagine never having to travel to the shop to buy aloe vera ever again when you can grow it as a houseplant and have fresh aloe vera whenever you need it. You save money, time, packing, and resources while still having a direct and instant relationship with the aloe vera plant at your fingertips. Commercial aloe vera products are frequently accessible in grocery shops and other places. The disadvantage of using these items is that they frequently contain artificial ingredients that aren't required. To reap the benefits of aloe vera's medical properties, all you need is the plant itself. You establish a crucial and required relationship by having aloe vera on hand to utilize when you need it for instant comfort or to make your things. Having aloe vera on hand encourages you to be more conscious of self-care and how to respond to your health needs. I consider aloe vera to be one of my most valuable partners. I get not just company, attractiveness, and aesthetics from the aloe, but I also receive therapeutic aloe vera uses whenever I need them. You will get the opportunity to get up close and personal with the aloe vera plant, knowing that it is a relatively simple plant to grow and maintain. You will gain the satisfaction of learning how to provide quick relief in unpleasant situations, such as a burn, as well as the entire satisfaction of understanding how to use aloe vera in everyday life to nourish and support your health and well-being in a variety of ways. All of this is thanks to aloe vera's amazing therapeutic properties. Aloe vera is a multi-purpose plant. It's your go-to tool for treating sunburns, chemical burns, and fire burns. It's even utilized in certain hospitals' burn units. Aloe vera can be used to make soap, facial toners, facial scrubs, and masks, as well as aftershave, mists, lip balm, salves, tinctures, washes, creams, and astringents, in addition to its emergency and acute medicinal purposes. Drinking aloe vera juice is one of my favorite ways to use it. It's detoxifying and has a flavor that's both pleasant and spicy. Want to soften, condition, and clean your hair without depleting it of its natural oils? It's medicine for your hair problems too. Shampoos with aloe vera are available to give your hair a natural shine. When coupled with other plants and oils for this purpose, aloe vera's medicinal properties show brightly. With a pH of 4.3, aloe vera gel is ideal for shampoos and lotions. Aloe vera also has aloin available amongst its numerous substances found within it. This aloin is a brown gel concentrated towards the blades of the leaf that has therapeutic properties. Aloe is a natural sunscreen that protects you from the sun, found just right in this plant that we are talking about, the mighty aloe vera. When it comes to skin, there are a variety of aloe vera products that are suitable for all skin types, from oily to dry. All skin types are compatible with this multi-purpose plant, the aloe vera. Here are some fantastic aloe vera cures that are easy to produce. Aloe vera can be used straight from the plant. To make your recipe, simply chop up a leaf from the plant and scoop off the gel. When removing a leaf, make sure to detach it directly at the base where it joins to the remainder of the plant. This will aid in the plant's speedy recovery. Aloe will automatically mend itself in the region where you cut a leaf off the plant within a few hours. Refrigerate any gel from the leaves that you don't need right away. This hack is particularly beneficial for burns. Apply ice directly to your burn to cool it down quickly. A minimum of 20 to 30 minutes is recommended. After that, scoop off the gel from the inside of an aloe leaf and apply it to your burn or blistered skin as soon as possible. Now, take a deep breath and let out a sigh of relief. As your burn or blister heals, keep applying aloe vera gel to it. You can apply a fresh aloe leaf to your wound and then wrap the leaf in a bandage. If you have a burn, using fresh aloe vera to it will help avoid blistering and is one of the greatest aloe vera cures I've come across. When it comes to aloe vera's medical properties, do not use creams or lotions to your burn, even if they contain aloe vera. This can make your injuries worse and is the polar opposite of burn treatment. Simply use aloe vera juice. Clinical studies show that using an aloe-based gel twice a day, combined with medical soap and tretinoin gel, can help with acne. Topical aloe may also assist with persons with herpes simplex, lichen planus, or psoriasis, according to research. Although aloe vera has been explored in clinical or human studies for diabetic foot ulcers and dental plaque, there isn't enough scientific data to suggest that it is effective in these diseases. Aloe gel applied topically is generally well tolerated. However, there have been reports of burning, stinging, and eczema while using aloe gel topically. Aloe latex taken orally might produce gastrointestinal pain and cramping. Acute hepatitis has been linked to oral ingestion of aloe leaf extracts for as little as 3 weeks or as long as 5 years. Overuse of aloe latex may raise the risk of side effects from the medicine digoxin, which is used to treat certain cardiac conditions. When consumed by mouth, aloe vera gel and latex may be harmful to a pregnant woman or a nursing mother. When it comes to healing tiny cuts, relieving skin conditions, and even improving hair, aloe vera is a wonderful treasure. It has a lot of benefits and it's even easier to grow than other plants. It requires very little maintenance and only a small amount of effort after planting. All you'll have to do is water the plant and keep it in a warm location with plenty of light. It will take care of the rest on its own, and it will be ready for harvesting in no time. Simply chop the leaves and use them to prepare any of the remedies mentioned in the video. From the comfort of your own home, make your remedy. I'm looking forward to hearing about more uses for aloe vera that you've discovered in the comment section below. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Did you like the video? Have you ever used aloe vera? Comment down below. Let's engage. Also, if you are interested in more videos like this or other natural health remedies, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos. Goodbye and see you in the next video.